What's the meaning of afforestation? Afforestation. 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 Afforestation means the process of planting trees in an area where there were no trees before. The result of afforestation is the creation of new forests, which can provide numerous benefits. These include mitigating climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, reducing soil erosion, improving water quality and availability, and providing habitat for wildlife. Afforestation can also lead to economic benefits, such as the production of timber and other forest products, and it can create new opportunities for recreation and tourism. Overall, afforestation is an important tool for promoting sustainable development and protecting the environment.